This is so cool. I'm gonna do this every time.
Look at the bag.
You look like a like a breast inside of a white brassiere.
You have great jaw structure.
Each wife had 7 sacks.
Of what? What are you up to, Madame? Madame Butterfly. Because it's gross, that's why. It's a gross habit, that's why. Gross, it's dirty and gross.
I want a fucking mirror with the...
There you go, how you like it? Paparazzi. Is that right? I am so pissed off at you, you don't even know. What is going on? Someone tell me what's going on here.
This is what happens when you feed him a lollipop and a Pepsi at the same time.
Wave at the not still portrait.
You don't want to be doing that when you get much older, dude.
The rain is pouring. Oh, I like that pen. When you get done with that pen, why don't you just snip it in your pocket?
Oh, that was wrong. Good job, guys.
I'm videotaping this event. Ooh!
This is obviously a bad idea because firearms and lasers don't mix, and drunkenness.
What, you got candy? Where's your candy? Stop, 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 stop. Where's your candy? Where's your candy? There it is. Is that yesterday's candy, sweetheart?
Hush. It's not about your words.
Teamwork, teamwork. Everything's better with teamwork. Uh-oh, can't drive.
Yeah. No, hands off, mister.
Yeah.
No, hands off, mister. No.
Poor little creature. She has but one eye.
What? Oh my gosh! That's unacceptable, really. Really, it's really unacceptable.